Meet the Ronin Lift, a powerful yet budget-friendly ascender that's revolutionizing the way people work at heights. Weighing only 24 pounds with its battery but capable of lifting up to 400 pounds. With the right pulley system, it can handle loads up to 1,200 pounds, all while ensuring safety through its 2 anchor points that support over 5,000 pounds combined. This innovative device reduces worker fatigue and injuries, making it a valuable investment for any job involving heights, priced at $3,825. Say goodbye to the fear of a wobbly ladder with the Lockjaw ladder grip. This sturdy device, made from high-grade stainless steel and reinforced polymer, securely clamps your ladder to gutters and roof edges, ensuring it stays firmly in place. Weighing just 2.8 pounds, it's easy to attach and detach, providing stability when working at heights and helping to prevent accidents. Priced at $129, it's a compact, reliable tool that gives you peace of mind on the job. The RHINO Cart is a rugged all-terrain mover built to handle the toughest jobs. Whether you're moving heavy furniture, appliances, or construction materials, its industrial-grade steel frame and 8 heavy-duty urethane wheels make navigating rough surfaces a breeze. With a weight capacity of up to 1,500 pounds and an adjustable frame that adapts to various loads, it's a powerful tool for any job. At just $160, the RHINO Cart delivers exceptional durability and convenience, making those heavy lifting tasks easier than ever. This is the Locker AP700, a compact yet powerful pneumatic nail remover that effortlessly tackles construction, carpentry, and recycling tasks. Weighing just 2.9 pounds, its heavy-duty metal construction and ergonomic trigger make removing nails from wood and pallets quick and easy, saving you time and effort. Operating between 80 to 120 psi, it's compatible with a range of nail sizes and features a rear exhaust to keep debris away. At just $51.99, this tool combines efficiency with safety, thanks to its built-in safety lock mechanism. The Hilti Neuron SB6 22 is a cordless bandsaw designed for precision and power in metalworking and construction. With a cutting capacity of up to 5 inches and a brushless motor for top-tier performance, it handles everything from metal pipes to threaded rods with ease. The 5 adjustable speed settings allow for versatility in various cutting tasks, and at just 8.5 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver. Equipped with safety features like a dual trigger and low-noise operation, it's ideal for busy, occupied spaces. Priced at $499, the SB6 22 is a smart, efficient choice for professionals, though the battery and charger are sold separately. This is the SFX 100-watt backpack laser cleaning machine, a portable and powerful solution for tasks like rust removal and paint stripping. With its 100-watt fiber laser and cleaning speed of up to 10 square meters per hour, this compact 26-pound unit offers precision and ease of use. Equipped with an adjustable beam diameter and touchscreen controls, it's designed for consistent, chemical-free cleaning across various surfaces. Priced at around $10,000, this machine combines efficiency and portability for industrial and automotive applications. Meet the VOGT Geo Injector Minie, the smallest yet powerful tool for geotechnical applications like soil stabilization and foundation repair. Weighing just 15 kilograms, this pneumatic machine operates at up to 150 psi and is designed for injecting grout materials with precision and ease. With its compact design and adjustable flow rate, it's perfect for tough environments while being portable enough for technicians to handle. Priced at $1,499, it's an efficient solution for high-quality injection work, offering durability and performance in the field. This is the E-Cutter 2.0, a revolutionary electric hole cutter built for golf course maintenance. Weighing just 9 kilograms and powered by an 18-volt battery, it cuts a perfect hole in only 8 seconds, while its ergonomic design reduces strain on greenkeepers during long hours of work. With a built-in bubble level and adjustable depth stop, it ensures precision every time, and a fully charged battery can handle up to 27 holes. Priced at approximately $1,500, the eCutter 2.0 offers efficiency and reliability, all while protecting the greens. The Handjet registered trademark EBS-260 is a portable inkjet printer designed to make your marking tasks easier and faster. With its adjustable print height of up to 2.2 inches and a resolution of 300 dpi, this handheld device is perfect for printing text, graphics, and barcodes on surfaces like metal, glass, and wood. Weighing just 3.5 pounds, it's lightweight yet powerful, offering up to 16 hours of operation on a single charge. Priced at $5,500, the EBS-260 combines versatility with efficiency, ideal for industries ranging from manufacturing to logistics. The Knipex 13728 forged wire stripper is a durable and precision-engineered tool designed to strip and cut wires with ease. Made from high-grade special tool steel, its induction-hardened blades can handle everything from 10 to 20 AWG wires to cutting screws without threading. With multi-component handles and features like a wire looping groove and an integrated opening spring, it's built for comfort and efficiency. Priced at approximately $59.95, this tool is a must-have for electricians and DIY enthusiasts looking for reliability and precision. Meet the true engineering masterpiece, the Metmo Driver, a sleek and versatile ratchet screwdriver that combines practicality with a satisfying tactile experience. Made from aerospace-grade aluminum or stainless steel, this compact tool can handle up to 17 Newton-meters of torque, making it ideal for everything from assembling furniture to intricate repairs. With a quick-release handle, ratcheting mechanism, and built-in bit storage, it's designed for both comfort and efficiency. Priced around $110, the Metmo Driver is a durable, fidget-friendly addition to any toolbox. The Extech EX840A is a powerful, true RMS AC/DC clamp meter designed for precise electrical testing and temperature measurements. With a 4,000-count backlit LCD display, it effortlessly handles up to 1,000 A of current and 1,000 V of voltage, while its built-in infrared thermometer accurately measures temperatures ranging from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 518 degrees Fahrenheit. The X840A features a data hold function, peak hold, and auto power off, making it user-friendly and efficient for any electrical professional. Priced at around $250, this tool is a reliable choice for all your testing needs. The Tiger Tool 15200 tapered torque rod press is engineered to make suspension work on heavy-duty trucks easier and safer. Specifically designed for Niue and Hendrickson suspensions, it eliminates the need for hammering, reducing the risk of damaging surrounding components. With a compact design and black oxide finish for corrosion resistance, this tool works efficiently with up to a 1-inch impact tool. Weighing just 20 pounds, it's built from high-grade metals for strength and durability, making it an essential asset in any technician's toolkit. The Sumake Pro gear-driven air saw STBW710 is built for precision and power, ideal for cutting through materials like metal, plastic, and fiberglass. With its gear-driven mechanism delivering extra torque and 10,000 strokes per minute, it handles tough cutting tasks with ease. Lightweight at just 1.2 kilograms and featuring an ergonomic non-slip handle, it ensures comfort during extended use. Priced at $228, this compact air saw is perfect for automotive repairs and intricate metalwork, combining efficiency with safety features like a built-in safety trigger. This is the Kreg 90-degree pocket hole driver, a compact tool that makes pocket hole joinery a breeze. With its right-angle design and magnetic bit holder, it easily drives screws in tight or hard-to-reach spaces, perfect for cabinetry and furniture assembly. Built from high-grade steel, it offers durability and a comfortable grip to reduce hand fatigue. At just 6 inches long and priced around $25, this tool is a must-have for woodworkers looking to tackle precision projects with ease. The Greenlee electric PVC heater is a reliable tool designed to make bending PVC conduit a breeze for electricians and contractors. Whether you're working with pipes up to 6 inches in diameter or smaller, this heater provides even heat distribution to ensure smooth, precise bends without scorching. With an adjustable thermostat and a heating time of just 5 to 7 minutes, it's easy to control and safe to use, thanks to automatic shutoff and overheating protection. Priced around $652, this durable heater offers portability and performance in a rugged steel frame, making it perfect for job sites. The Toughbuilt XL Rolling Massive Mouth Bag is designed to keep you organized and mobile on the toughest job sites. Crafted from durable 1680D polyester, this bag offers a spacious interior with 62 pockets and loops, perfect for power tools, hand tools, and accessories. Its rugged, all-terrain wheels and telescoping handle make maneuvering easy, while the hard body construction and water-resistant base ensure your tools stay protected. Priced around $180, this heavy-duty rolling bag is a reliable partner for contractors and tradespeople on the move. The Mileseey Xtape 1. Digital laser tape is a game changer for anyone needing precision in measurement. With a laser range of up to 50 meters and a traditional tape reaching 5 meters, this tool handles tasks with impressive accuracy. Its rechargeable battery powers 5 hours of continuous use, and the backlit LCD ensures you can read measurements clearly. Priced around $199, the Xtape 1 is built to last with an IP54 rating for water and dust resistance, making it a reliable partner on any job site. The Bosch PWB600 Workbench is designed to make your DIY and professional tasks easier with a foldable, portable design that's ready in seconds. Featuring a durable bamboo work surface and a robust aluminum frame, this workbench supports up to 200 kilograms of weight, making it sturdy yet lightweight at just 11.6 kilograms. The integrated quick-action clamps and adjustable jaws ensure your materials are held securely, while its weather-resistant surface is perfect for outdoor use. Priced at around $200, the PWB600 is built for convenience and performance in any workspace. The WIPCOOL C30S is a powerful steam cleaning machine designed to make maintaining your air conditioning system effortless. It combines hot and cold water steam up to 150 degrees Celsius with ozonation to eliminate 99.99% of microorganisms without chemicals. Using the LCD touchscreen, you can easily switch between its 5 modes: hot steam, hot water, cold water, pulse, and ozone. With a pressure rating of up to 6 bars, the C30S offers professional-level cleaning for $358, including accessories like a rotational spray nozzle and nylon brush for comprehensive care. That's all for today, friends. Which tools impressed you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you go, and join us again soon to explore more amazing inventions and tools. See you next time!